Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of 7, and we are still in Cape Town. We're about to leave. We're getting a few stuff, and then we're heading straight to the house. We have an 11 o'clock call time, so we'll see y'all. Okay, guys, so we got to the house and quickly had to have briefing with Chef Silviu, who's right over there. He's gonna come take a seat now. He just quickly wanted to go through some nitty-gritty details with us, make sure that we have everything in stock. I think we did have most of the stock. The family's arriving a little bit later, so we will be doing a dinner, and today is all about the food, and I'm so excited to show you guys what we made. So the team is ready to work, and I just wanted to show you guys the beauty of this place again. Guys, this is Camps Bay, Cape Town. For those of you who are watching from outside of the country, it is so beautiful, such a perfect destination. The weather is gorgeous, darling, and I'm just here doing the most while everybody's in the kitchen. But I'm back, and Chef Silviu is gonna make a bisque, lobster bisque, and we're gonna do a lot of fish dishes. This is the base. It's just gonna be so much fun. I hope you guys enjoy this one. The food is really beautiful, so I'm really excited. So Chef Silviu is making a proper Italian arrabbiata sauce with smoked chili, fresh tomatoes, garlic, darling. It's just amazing, and I cannot wait. And then over here, he's just doing a spice blend for the grilled chicken. We're gonna have some grilled chicken, and some fish. I forgot the name of the fish, but I'll write it down for you guys in the description. This gorgeous fish dish, with sea bass. Guys, the sea bass we got is amazing. Actually, the fresh seafood in Cape Town is just top tier stuff, and I am just in food heaven right now. Okay, this is like food and spice heaven. Yes. Okay, so after this, I am going to start making a coconut and coriander rice. I think you saw I steamed some rice earlier on, some basmati. So I'm just gonna make this. It's got coconut milk, some lime zest, coriander, and then some seasoning. I'm just blending that, and then I'm gonna pour this over the rice later on, and just mix the rice into it. And honey, it is just flavor town. Okay, so over here we've got water for our guests. We always have water prepared for our guests before they come in, with lemon, cucumber, ice, so that they feel welcome. Here's our stock. Here he's making a chicken stock, the arrabbiata on the side. There's a grilled chicken. We are in it to win it. Okay, honey. Okay. Okay, so over here I am back in the kitchen again with Chef Silviu, and we're just doing some prep. This prep was, I think this was for the bisque, but we shall see. Guys, and then after this is the sea bass that I was talking about. How lovely are they? Those are all the herbs, the tomatoes, all the prep that we're getting ready for. I'm so excited. It's looking good, it's looking nice, it's looking fancy, it's looking colorful, it's giving everything that it's supposed to be giving. Okay. This is so much fun, guys. Look at how gorgeous these are. Oh, you guys are gonna love this.
You were forgiven long time.
Also close this door. My head is going to explode.
What do you mean? Oh. Oh yeah, no, I get you now. I'm catching you. I'm catching your drift.
I'm going to get you. Still young, that's what.
The head is gonna explode. It's gonna go nuts. I'm like, what? Okay, so at this point, most of the meals are done. As you can see, the veggies are nice and bright over there, and we're now gonna go on to the Mediterranean baked fish. I need to ask Chef Silviu what this dish is called. He gave me this name, this Italian name for it, and I can't remember it, but I'm gonna ask him. This thing is so delicious, guys. Look at the sea bass. Yo, I can't even. I've just seasoned them, and I'm gonna turn them around because we wanna crisp the skin. Guys, seasoning is so essential. Yo, please, guys, can we just season our food? Then here's Chef Lebo, busy with the lamb. We're doing the most. Yes.
Hi.
That one? That's for us.
That's for us.
So, I'm going down the elevator. How fun. So I actually had to bake the fish downstairs at this point, and then over here we have the tomato burrata salad that I made, and then I made a green salad with some avocado, cucumber, parsley, lemon juice, olive oil, the works. And then this is it on the spread, and then I'm going to show you guys the entire table right about now and how we served the meals. We're now waiting for the family to come and enjoy, and that is it for today, guys. We are done and dusted. We are tired. Yeah, but we had to stay a little bit later to make food for the staff, which is this, and then we're gonna go home. And that is that for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait for the next one. This one was so much fun, guys, so tune in next time for the next one. See you then. So day one is done. And that booty.
I'm joking. Cheers to us.
Don't worry, I will show that. Cheers to us. I don't have a glass, but it's fine.
We have nothing in these glasses.
Guys,
we still at work.
It was still at work.
What is the time?
It is? Yeah, no, it's fine, don't worry.
What is the time?
Probably like 20, like 2:11.
11. You've been here since, what, 10?
Yeah. 12-hour day. Guys, yeah.
This is the walkout. And this is us walkout. I need Wi-Fi to go Uber all you.